I have a problem. I'm inserting the USB disk. Now, you need to format the disk in Drive E before you can use it. Do you want to format it? Yes. Oh, unknown capacity, FAT32, okay. Restore device, okay, you just start formatting, start. On it, formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. Okay, I want to format. But the Windows was unable to complete the formatting. So the solution, and just close. Windows can't format. Check to see that the disk and drive are connected properly. Already they are connected. Make sure that the disk is not read-only and then try again. For more information, search help. Okay, help. I'm going to help you on how to solve this problem. So, you need this app in your computer, this PC. If you can't access it right here, type this PC and you're going to get it direct here. Right click this PC, show more options for Windows 11. For Windows 10, you'll get this menu direct. Select manage. Right away, navigate to disk management. Connect local disk configuration information loading. Our troublesome disk is this one here, unallocated. Right click and create a new simple volume. Next, the size will be 15 GB. Next, you can allocate any letter from letter B up to Z. Let me choose I for ICT Kenya. Then next, you can choose the file system here. If the disk is to work with computers, NTFS is the best. If you wanted it for music system like radios, woofers, etc., set it to FAT32. Then label, you can give it your name like ICT Kenya. Then next, these are the details of your disk. You're gonna finish. After a few seconds, your disk will be ready to be used. Let's confirm. Perfect. ICT Kenya this folder is empty, meaning the disk is ready to be used. Has it worked in your computer? If so, just say thanks by clicking the thanks button and buy me a coffee. Bye bye.